Next.Js. It is free and open source web development framework and React based web applications with server side rendering. Install applications. First one, code editor VS Code. Second one, package manager Node.js. After two application installation completed, next install Next.js. Google search box lo Node.js enter key press. Node.js.org Node.js-run JavaScript everywhere. First link, mouse left click. Node official redirectory web page complete display. Run JavaScript everywhere. Left side green color button. Download Node.js.lts means long time support. Installation latest version Node.js version 22.15.0. green color button click. Download section lo Node.js MSI Microsoft installer setup file downloading process start. Wait and hear few minutes. File size 29.6 MB. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo node setup file display. Setup file select, mouse right click. First option open click. Download folder minimize. Node.js setup window lo welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Second button next click. End user license agreement. Application related license information complete display in middle section window. Left side bottom section lo I accept the terms in the license agreement. Box tick mark set. Third button next click. Destination folder Node.js package manager installation location display in box. Local disk C program files newly created folder Node.js display. Second button next click. Custom setup select the way you want features to the installed. Installation features display in box. Fourth button next click. Tool for native modules chocolatey unnecessary skip this option. Second button next click. Ready to install Node.js. Second button install click. Installing Node.js. Please wait while the setup wizard. Install Node.js. Status installation checking process. MSI window verify. First button yes click. Status installation and copying files. Wait and hear few seconds. Completed the Node.js setup wizard. Node.js has been successfully installed. Second button finish click. Windows search box lo type VS Code. First one Visual Studio Code select. Visual Studio Code user interface display. Welcome page close. Terminal menu click. First option new terminal click. Node.js verifying text command enter. Node space -v enter key press. Installed latest version Node.js v 22.15.0. Terminal close. Create new folder Next.js project related folder. Left side first icon explorer click. First button open folder blue color button click. Left side desktop option select. Second button new folder click. Delete key press. Enter the folder name Next.js files. Enter key press. Bottom side first button select folder click. First button yes I trust the authors blue color button click. Welcome page close. Next.js files display in Explorer window. Next, install Next.Js for React framework. VS Code IDE minimize. Browser reopen. New tab click. Google search box lo Next.Js enter. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display. Next.js.org. Next.js by Vercel the React framework. First link, mouse left click. Next.js official redirectory web page complete display. The React framework for the web. High quality web applications section lo two buttons display. First one get started, second one learn Next.js. Below command display npx space create -next -app at the latest. Copy this command. Right side copy icon, mouse left click. Browser minimize. Code editor VS Code reopen. Terminal menu click. First option new terminal select. Created folder destination location and path display in terminal window. Paste here copied command. Keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Error display. CLS. Enter key press. VS Code IDE minimize. Keyboard lo shortcut key Windows key plus R. Run command window display. Open box lo type %appdata %. First button OK click. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo folder click. Delete key press. Folder name. Enter. npm. Enter key press. Folder close. VS Code reopen. Next enter new text command. In this video description section lo command paste as the same copy paste here. Keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Browser reopen. Copy this command again. Copy icon right click. Browser minimize. Keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Installation process start. Create -next -app @ls. OK to proceed. Keyboard lo Y key press. Enter key press. What is your project name? Enter here project name Chari Tech. Enter key press. TypeScript related projects create in VS Code. Yes button click. Unnecessary no. Keyboard lo left arrow click. Highlighted no. Enter key press. Would you like to use ESLint? No or yes? No. Default selected no. Enter key press. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS? No. Keyboard lo left arrow key press. No highlighted. Enter key press. Would you like to your code inside a src directory? Default select no. Enter key press. Would you like to use app router? Recommended. Second one yes. Default highlight yes. Enter key press. Would you like to use turbo pack for next div? Yes. S is highlighted. Enter key press. Would you like to customize the import aliases by default? No is highlighted. Enter key press. Installing dependencies packages. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. React DOM and next. found vulnerabilities. Success created Charitech path display. Created folder name Charitech. Left side first icon Explorer window lo created Charitech display. Left side expand icon click. Package.json click. Project name Charitech. Installed version 0.1.0. Dependencies packages React DOM and Next. Installation packages versions. Package.json window close. Terminal window lo enter the command cd space project name Charitech. Enter key press. Next.js project run command enter. cls enter key press. npm space run space dev enter key press. Run the Next.js latest version 15.3.2 turbo pack section lo 2 links display. First one local network related link display. First one local, mouse left click, follow link, blue color highlighted words, mouse left click. Create next dot app, address bar display localhost dot 3000. Next.js get started by editing related app / page.js. web page maximize. VS Code ID lo app left side expand icon click. Page.js file click. Next.js default script Ctrl A delete. Enter the script. Export space default function home open bracket close bracket preferences return open brackets div h1 tag output Charitech info. File menu click, save option select, local link follow link click Charitech info. VS Code reopen, re-edit output text Charitech info Warangal. Keyboard shortcut key Ctrl S. Output web page in Charitech info Warangal display. Browser minimize. VS Code IDE minimize.